Hey, I am Echo, an entrepreneur in a laser machine factory.
你在做
I have also been in the laser industry for 20 years. Who is the worst enemy of a salesperson? It's not the competition. It's not the price. It's not the difficulty in communicating. Your biggest enemy in sales is your own whining attitude.
Love your product, believe in your product, and be sure that the product will help others. Have faith that it can truly benefit others. The product does not speak for itself. It's our ability to give customers a positive feeling when selling that makes the product speak.